Hey, what's up guys, it's Rainbow Dragon 6 here today with more Roblox. And today we are gonna jump off cliffs. Yeah, because this is what we're doing with our lives. And I'm just saying now, sorry for not posting. I have no excuse actually, or none that I want to give you. So yeah, today we're just gonna try to kill ourselves. Wow. That was a fitting death. My ideal death is to be buried alive. I broke 13 bones. And I sprained 8 ligaments, fell 120, blah blah blah. But guess what? I earned $6,000 for throwing myself off a cliff. Doesn't that sound fun, guy I don't know? Okay, I wonder if we throw ourselves off this way. I can't believe I'm killing myself for your guys' enjoyment. Meh. Ugh, I don't like the sounds this makes. Well, that was fitting. Guess what? I broke 72 bones this time and earned $31,000. Let's do the exact same thing again, except hope we get more hurt. Enjoy the background music. I can't hear it right now, so I'm extremely bored. Did I just land on that rock with my crotch? Well, future cheerleader here, guys. I'm doing the heads. I'm doing the splits right now. $20,000 for breaking 110 bones. My head is slightly hurt, but my feet are extremely hurt, apparently. My leg hurts more than my head. 'Cause logic. So, let's just do this again and hope we get more hurt. Yeet! Has anyone ever realized we're just yeeting ourselves off cliffs? I have nothing against this. Ooh. Come on, just move a little further to the edge. Well, it's actually better than my first break. So when we get 50 grand, we can upgrade to a new death spot. So yeah, we're throwing ourselves off cliffs. How enjoyable! Okay, so we passed level 4 now, so we're on 5. So yeah, let's go kill ourselves even more. Are you guys so excited? Let's see. Oh yay. Look, we're still on like a withered looking area. Well, let's just jump and kill ourselves. I hate the sound it makes, honestly. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna sit here and drown. That sounds great. Wait, I have a question, guys. Do you know if my leg's supposed to bend like that? I don't think it is. But hey, I'm not a doctor. But my leg could be bending weird lately. I'll show you guys next time I die. Watch. So all I do is jump and hurt myself and do the splits in midair and then fall and then hurt and then try to land on rocks because that gives you more damage. But is my leg supposed to bend like this? I have no clue. But we're getting better at the whole breaking your bones thing. So, that's fantastic. And people in the chat are just being like, another concussion. Oof, me. No, this is sick. It's so weird. They're talking about how great death is, and I totally agree with them. Death is fun. Wow, I almost got stuck in a tree. That'd be a great way to die. And here's one of my fellow bodies over there. How amazing. So yeah. everyone is dying and talking about how great their death is and making me feel bad because my death wasn't as great. Splits in midair. I could be a cheerleader. That must hurt though. I wonder if the dudes do splits in midair. If so, that'd be funny to watch. Only one leg broken. Wow. We have to try harder, guys, honestly. Ow. Okay. Wow, we're just gonna slowly fall. I hate the bone crushing noise. How did I not die? Answer me that, and why am I doing the starfish pose? Is this swim lessons? I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm just going cliff diving without a bungee cord, you know. Everything every normal person does on holidays. Yeeting themselves off cliffs, because that's what every normal person does. Ugh. And left to drowned. Okay, so we've been on this freaking level for like a long time. We keep on dying, but we got a concussion a few times. That's a start. I'm sure you guys hear that every day. I got a concussion today, so that's a start on life. I still hate the sound it makes. Okay then. And to drowned. By the way, guys, if you want me to do reaction videos or more gameplay or any kind of gameplay, leave your suggestions down below in the comments. I will gladly do them because I have not been posting lately. As you probably know, it's been like 3 months now. Sheesh. Well, hope you guys actually had a happy Christmas though. Or a Merry Christmas, depending on where you're from. I've been watching too much Harry Potter, so I think it's Happy Christmas. Which is true if you live in England and a few other places that I do not know. I'm so happy about dying, though. Look at my face. I'm so happy about dying. Yeet ourselves off a cliff. I'm honestly surprised we're living. Because I know you can actually die in this game. And then you get like $1 grand if you die. Hitting rocks is good for you. It makes you die faster. Yoga! Oh my god, my body's not supposed to bend like that. Ooh. I'm not a doctor, but I know that for sure. One, I could just be jealous because I can't bend like this. I can only bend my legs, weirdly. Oh my god, my legs are becoming a human pretzel! Hello guys, meet the human pretzel. Oh my god, my foot is not supposed to be like that. And she sticks the landing! Ah, you're amazing! What goes on in my head? Oh my god. I just realized I'm sad, pathetic, and forever alone. Do you see that person yeeting themselves as well? Oh, we got a concussion! The sound! I hate it! Ow. And we were just impaled by a tree. Yeah, something's wrong with my foot. We got a concussion but only broke 32 bones, and our head is only minorly hurt. I feel so disappointed in myself. So let's yeet ourselves off the cliff again. Ew. I hate how you spray blood everywhere, but there's no wound. And I can see myself better off a cliff than you, because what's going on? Oh, I got a concussion! They're so happy about it! I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I will do another gameplay soon, guys. I promise you. Wait. Aye! What the fudge? It didn't let me jump off the bitter cliff. What the frick? I'm not allowed to cuss on YouTube or I will be demonetized. Shit! Huh, they thought they could get me. Wait, does it not count? It doesn't count! Let's hurt more of our bones. Yay! Oh. Well. My hand is hurt. Yes. We are now truly powerful. Okay. We just started, already have 14 bones broken. Did we just? Never mind. Not even gonna say that. Yay, we got 73 bones broken. So happy about this. I hurt my shoulder. Mommy, I hurt my shoulder. Help me, I got a minor boo-boo. Oh, and guys, guess what? Here's just a stupid life story. My dad always says, if you get hurt or die, we're not taking you to the hospital. So, and he was never joking and still is not joking. So yeah, if I ever do this, I'm just gonna be sitting there dead and alone. Wow, I'm flexible. Look at this. Look at this flexibility. I never can hurt my rib cage. I need to land on flat on my chest or on my head somewhere. That would make all the difference. Oof. That was my back. So maybe my spine is broken, my spleen. Oh, I also have this crazy friend who always says she's gonna rip out my other friend's spleen. I think she knows who because she sometimes watches this. Or maybe it's the other channel I have. Well, either way. Ooh. Let's just yeet ourselves off this cliff a few more times. Well, I hope you guys are going to enjoy 15 minutes. -1 for my intro and outro of me yeeting myself off the cliff. And spraying blood everywhere. And being a professional gymnast. My ribs still aren't hurt. I want to hurt my head really bad or my ribs really bad. I worship this guy. Builder man, teach me the way. Let's just do whatever Builder man does. Oh, how is he still up there? Dang it. Builder man, I'm sorry. Ooh. Don't you love being a limp ragdoll? I'm surprised my crotch and my butt don't get grass burn or rug burn or something. So we break our bones, but we're not even getting a rash. That's all we care about. That guy looks like he's eating. He's trying to eat himself over there hard. Okay. Invisible barriers. Take that, suckers! I've already broken 74 bones. Yay, and I landed in the split